Hello, gravity. We know you're there, and we know you can hear us. So listen up. For far too long, you've been holding us runners down. You make us heavy. You make us slow. And at On, we're fighting back. On has reinvented the running shoe. It features clever hollow pods called clouds. They cushion horizontally for an incredibly soft landing. Then they become firm for an explosive takeoff. It's a complete step change. Land soft, yet start fast. It's like running on clouds. Compared to a conventional shoe, the On has a delayed touchdown. Last on the ground, yet first to start. Spend more time in the air. The flexible clouds support your unique form right where you need it. Don't run. Fly. Sorry, gravity.